So, the Senior Design Lab is different than most other classes, most other labs in the department. We don't really have a fixed set of assignments. There's no preconception about what the students have to do, except that they have to do something interesting. And they have to do something slightly original. And they are meant to do something that they find exciting.
So this was inspired partially by a product made for electric guitar called the EBO, which uses the same electrical engineering principles to drive a string without picking it. So you get a really interesting sound that sounds almost like it's being bowed like a violin or a cello, except it's an electric guitar. So that's a really cool and unique sound, and we were thinking about that. So if we could kind of make a hybrid of an acoustic piano and electric piano using the EBO technique as our way of moving the strings, that it could really make a really cool sound. I play electric guitar, acoustic guitar, bass guitar, and violin.
I play a little bit of piano and trumpet.
He plays guitar.
Plays guitar, okay.
Pretty much all the guitars I listed.
Okay.
And violin too.
And keyboard.
Yeah, and keyboard.
Right now we've been ordering parts, and as soon as those come in, we'll start, I guess, constructing the basic part of the circuit. So I'm really excited about the project. I'm pretty sure it's going to work, but we clearly are going to have kinks to work out and stuff. But it's something that I'm really excited about doing, and really excited about seeing the final product.
It's great, guys. Keep up the good work, and hopefully this is a great project at the end.
The next step is to test the solenoids on a do-it-yourself circuitry thing that people have already tested that works. So we want to make sure this kind of solenoid will do what we want it to do, and then if that works, then we'll try it with our original circuit that we hope will work, but you know, the math works, the theory may not. I'm very happy with the way the body is turning out. Dave's been extremely helpful. Dave built the body, so I gave him specs on what lengths I wanted, where everything I wanted it to be, and he made it happen. And I bring him prototypes and just thoughts and ideas of how maybe we can mount it, and he does everything very precisely so it works exactly as I ever hoped. It's incredible. We're actually most concerned right now about programming the MIDI keyboard and microcontroller and all that, which is Nathan's part.
So what's this weekend going to be like?
For me, I'm going to be pretty much done with my part, being there to help out Nathan if he needs, and Aaron if they need help with anything. Nathan hasn't been able to work on his part for quite a while because he's been waiting on us to do a lot of debugging and such, but now that he's working really hard. And I have faith in him. He's a very good programmer.
I'm a little bit stressed just because of the way the construction of it went. I couldn't really test any of my stuff until 2 days ago, so I've been spending pretty much every waking hour in the lab over the last 2 days trying to get my stuff working. So it's been kind of unfortunate. So what this will do, we'll have some guitar strings lined up with it, and it will read in the frequency that the string is vibrating at and drive it at that same frequency at a higher power, so that yeah, it'll oscillate the string without touching it. I haven't pulled any all-nighters yet, but I might have to consider that within the next day or two. So.
Is it I squared S or is it?
Okay, so
I
go
think it's SPI.
It's SPI, okay.
Yeah.
Stage is yours. Let's see this inductive piano.
We're going to turn the power on.
I'm here. That's the problem. Was it working seconds ago?
Yeah.
I show up and
Don't panic, guys. Just figure it out. You'll be okay.
That's first note on there.
Is the E going? We can get polyphony. Get multiple strings going.
That's a really nice sound.
This is our inductive coupling piano project. We are in group 12. My name is Jonathan Lowe. This is Aaron King, and this is Nathan Lord.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about the results. It worked about as well as we wanted, and yeah, it came together really nicely.
Yeah, very exciting. I'm very happy with the work that we did.
It's I'd say a very exciting class, and very enjoyable to watch everything come together.
If only I could work a camera. You know, they will let anyone be a professor of engineering.